Good morning. Another day in this camp, overcrowded, with the road over there going crazy. And my daily routine is hang the sleeping bag out and all the stuff that I've been sweating in so it airs out a little bit. And well, I don't have much going on today. I'm probably going to Moab, see if I can get a shower. It is a place, it's $6, and it's another campground there, expensive campground. But they let you take showers for $6 and maybe do some laundry. All the sweating I've been doing, the hiking the last couple of days. Maybe go for a small bike ride and then go back to Arches Park after 4 to see the last few arches up in the northernmost part, and maybe get. I was thinking about getting a eagle. I think it's silver or metal eagle to put here if they have an eagle or some bird, something to put on top. So we'll see. So lunch today, I don't know, I'm thinking about making a bacon, cheese, bagel with a little bit of potato salad on the side or pasta salad on the side and see how that goes. Other than that, pretty nice day. Again, super sunny. Not a threat of snow, and I'm thinking about staying here until Sunday instead of until Friday, because I had set up another campground which is further up the road for another 2 days, which is basically the same thing, a campground right next to the road, the heavy traffic. I got a good site here anyway with the same conditions, Colorado River that way, and closer to Moab actually, and closer to the Arches Park. So because I don't want to leave here on a Friday and go scramble for a campsite. I'm on the way to leave until Sunday afternoon or Monday, and then go straight to Bryce, forget about going to the campground further up north, Big Bend, something like that. Just a matter of logistics. I'll be more relaxed and chances are higher of getting a campsite price on the Sunday or a Monday, because well, although I think since it started snowing up there, I don't know if I can even get a site if the roads will be open. A lot of it will be closed. But we'll see. But definitely I'm leaving here either Sunday or Monday to get to Bryce a little bit early, and I may just skip Bryce and go straight to Zion, spend more time in Zion. I don't know, depends how the conditions of Bryce might be. Anyway, we'll see. Alright, I'm back at the campground after going to Moab. I got a nice shower. I had a big ass lunch that kind of you regret afterwards for eating too much. It was really good. It was a Cuban pork sandwich with side of fries, and I put mustard on fries as usual. I love it. Man, it's heavy as hell. It's been 3 hours and I still feel like it's coming out my ears. And well, and then I did laundry and came back here, and I was thinking about going for a bike ride or going to arches, and I got this cold that I just don't feel that great. Don't have a lot of energy. It's a head cold, and it seems to be moving into my chest and cough. So I'm just gonna sit here and take it easy for the rest of the afternoon, just veg, and see if I can get a little better. I hate these. I mean, I don't know where the hell I got the cold. I'm not interacting with hardly anybody. Well, when I go shopping and shit like that, probably that's where I got it. Maybe the showers, who knows. It started at the Colorado Monument. So I probably got it from either Calvin or Desmond. I don't know. Because I was there for about 4 or 5 days. I didn't interact with anyone. Well, I went to town with Calvin a couple of times and Walmart and all that. But he seemed healthy. Anyway, I am just going to bed out and enjoy this beautiful view of the mountain behind me. Look at that thing. And look at that thing. All these is the Colorado doing. Man, it must have been a monster of a river at one point. All the way from Colorado, all the way down to Grand Canyon and the border. And wow. Must have been a monstrous river at some point. Anyway, tomorrow will be better than today, I hope.